My name is Joe. I made a song, here's how it goes. This about to blow. When I hit the double jump like Super Mario. Pop out the whip, do a flip, keep it sick. I got the mic, got my mouth, gonna rip. Dig, of all the ways that I'm much better. I keep it hot like a turtleneck sweater. Double jump, Nike Airs with a pump. Out of word K-Swiss, I ain't a chump. Follow my rhythm, follow my flow. Dance to this, drop your hips, get low. Get with the program, fly past it like Logan. I'm known to heat it up with my romance. Step to me when you can. Back in third grade, scaled the monkey bars with no hands. Old school duo with a fresh new slide. Grab the deck, spread the edge and spin them around. Make your body crump, do a double bump. Bouncing all around, make you want to double jump. Jump, 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 jump. And bring your feet up, and bring your feet up, and bring your feet up, and bring your feet up.
Detour is in a day, and the route was changed last night, and it is significantly easier now. So you can see we're doing a whole bunch of out and backs now instead of looping around, and the result of that is 1,383 meters elevation instead of the original 1,885. Anyway, I've got the car packed up, I've got the bike in the car. Time to go pick up Alfonso. Hey! Goodbye! Bye, boys! Alright, close the boot. Did you enjoy that traffic jam?
Jesus Christ, yes.
We avoided it.
Was that, did you cause that traffic jam?
Yes. Me and Alfonso. And I have claimed this room. And you guys are going to be sleeping together.
Where is Alfonso?
He's out the back trying to get the fire started.
Nice.
I wish I did the dude there.
Hey, it's good content.
Yeah, it is. It's good content.
Absolute.
It's good content.
How about you three share a bed?
Where's Alfonso?
Oh, that's a lot of smoke, mate. Wait,
Alfonso, mate. Hello there. Howdy.
where did you get the paper from?
Holy crap, it's so weird seeing without a helmet.
Mate, is it weird that the Red Bull paper is burning and it's like blue smoke?
Got a blow on it, man.
You need like grass and shit.
Yeah, we need.
But
dry
grass is all dry, all wet.
Is it?
Look at oh, there we go. Look at Michael go. Oh, get in there, mate.
Training for tomorrow or something?
Just rapper.
No, he's training for tonight. Asians? No, man, like.
There we go.
No, it's on.
A few moments later.
Jesus, Alfonso, calm down. Calm down. All right. Wait, you've already asserted your wrist dominance over us, okay?
I'm single.
Name a more iconic duo than Alfonso and.
Oh,
We've lost the bond. Yeah.
It's alright. Greg's credit card.
super glue.
There it is. There we go.
You're a bit overzealous there with the.
We fucked it up. This person is a cyclist, as you can see, Colombian, mom, 45 years old.
45 years old?
Show us Alfonso.
Pretty good for a 45.
Show us.
I can't.
No, it's okay. I don't let my I say my videos aren't for kids.
Blurred.
Alright, we'll blur it in the video. Yeah, okay.
It's good for 45.
I, Michael Benjamin of Pastries.cc, officially don't ride at CP no more. I like hills.
Rather than biking bugger.
It's Pastries.cc, mate. It's not cycling CC.
Yeah, that big one in the middle will help a lot.
Oh shit.
Don't flip that shit over, because then we're gonna have a problem. Then we're gonna have to call 000 fire brigade.
These woods did not know what hit them.
Yeah.
They thought they were just gonna have a nice simmer.
Yeah. Little did they know a sexually frustrated Colombian man would come up from Sydney
Crackling.
with a broken pan. What do you call this thing? Dustpan. Broken dustpan.
It was a dustpan
Yeah.
a few hours ago.
Yeah. Was. Now it has been ravished. We're gonna make the video of the event, and it's gonna be like 2 minutes of riding and then 20 minutes of fire with Alfonso fanning.
Are people choosing the flavors and the gels and the cakes
Yeah.
and the nutrition?
Alright,
All
yeah.
these taste like shit.
Man, I've got 3 different flavors that I'm super keen to try today.
Why don't we fill up a bottle with the milk? Milk in the bottle.
Might be the fastest gravel run I've ever done.
Michael's not willing.
First minute of 8 hours.
Yeah. Michael's like, let's do that extra 20k but at the start. Ah! Jesus! Oh my god! It is 5:50 a.m. on Saturday. We just had a nice sunrise. So I got woken up at 5 a.m. because there was flickering on the wall and the fire was still going at 5 a.m. Not anymore though. Oh, look at that. Oh. Pork crackling. This morning's discussion is about last night's mosquito. Tell us about your mosquito experience.
Let's get buzzy. Let's get going from one ear to the other. It was like static noise. I just had to keep alternating ears. I went like that way. And that way. And then I put the covers in that way.
Are you sure it wasn't Michael?
I'm pretty sure it wasn't that. That would have felt smaller.
Alfonso's... Is it hot?
Yeah.
He's microwaved some iced chocolate, iced coffee, bagel. It works.
It's actually pretty good.
That's peak bachelor lifestyle. Microwaved iced coffee and untoasted bagel. Repeat that.
Microwave Snickers and use that spread on bagel. Tastes awesome.
Alfonso, you've been single too long.
Please don't. I had a shit sleep. And I feel like I'm
The excuses start now. Alright. Shit sleep, banana too small.
And I need to eat a banana this way so it doesn't all
You
sexualize.
cannot complain about. I hate myself.
What are we packing, Michael?
Everything.
Yeah, but in millimeters.
Alright, so this is a brand new restrap top tube bag.
Never used before.
used.
We got cola. We got raspberry. We got more cola. We got more raspberry. We got black flavor.
That's apple flavor, not
Yep.
black flavor. We've got a multi-tool.
Multi-tool.
We've got spare tube number 1. Derailleur hanger for Anthony if he crashes.
Holy shit.
And also, we've got Band-Aids, because Josh crashes as well.
Yeah, we got an hour saver, and then we got another bag.
Then we got a Garmin.
Garmin.
We got a tool bottle.
How many tool cages do you have though?
3.
Bottle cages. You have 3?
Yes.
Where's the third one?
It's on the bottom of the bike. Another multi-tool with the chain breaker. 2 different tire levers, just in case. Another tube. CO2 and a patch repair kit. And a bottle. And 2 bottles.
What are you bringing?
Yeah.
What are you bringing?
I've just got names.
Show us how many names you brought.
What just the necessities?
Yeah, where's your cracker?
That's it. Oh, Alfonso's got the cracker.
Yeah, true.
Alright, look at that. What a,
Oh, wait,
what a
but
spread.
wait, there's more.
Oh yeah.
That's heat though. Oh shit, I didn't realise you were packing so much heat.
I pack, you know.
Oh,
Yeah,
Valve
what?
extenders and a thingamabobby.
To tightening them. Yeah,
Core
very
thing.
good.
And also quick
definitely
links,
that.
just in case.
Ooh, quick links.
There we go.
Show us your
Alright.
inverter.
Alfonso, show us what you're bringing, mate.
That's it.
Alright, talk us through it.
Water.
Water. Tablets. Bakes. 2 gels. Whey for the maximum gains. Rapid recovery chocolate flavor. And just chuck this in the pocket. Full torque wrench kit. And
Tablets.
some pressed cocaine. It's like what my grandma would do.
Anthony's DIY. Alright, we got gels. $2 special from Chemist Warehouse. Coke. Citrus.
Where's your SIS,
raspberry.
mate?
Couldn't afford it this time round. Vanilla. 2 block bars. Had 3 bananas. Now we're only down to 1 banana. Ride hasn't started yet. The Hail Mary. Salt tablets.
Great.
A Garmin. Normal size.
You can have this if you want.
Oh yeah, that's big.
Jeez, Alfonso.
That's big. Alright, we're now back to
Alright,
2 bananas.
yeah, Alfonso versus Anthony.
Little lady carries big banana.
Yeah.
3 eggs. He's also carrying my cracker. And multi-tool. Multi-tool, most importantly. Headphones. And
I thought that was a rock for a second.
Marlow Tech Energy is downloaded. So, we good. We good.
Alright, that's great. Cheese and salami sandwich. Butter and honey sandwich. Bag of sour worms. Nutrigrain bar. Apple. Cherry. Fruit salad. Orange. Tubeless plug kit. 4mm Allen wrench for my cleats, which always come loose. Extra 2 batteries and another SD card. Tissues. Pump. Cookies. Alright. Let's see if we can fit it all in. Sandwiches, highest priority. Sandwiches, easy. Gels. I don't think we need that many. 1, 2, 3.
Just heading into... Where are we going? Moncarai?
Yeah, that sounds right.
Register. To register. And cars are loaded. Can't stop looking at Alfonso's shorts. They're so comfy. You just look like a very cozy event.
Michael looks like he wants to be in bed right now.
Mr.
Having a
Zen.
moment. Feelings, thoughts, prayers.
Thoughts and prayers, baby.
I'll let you know when I think of some.
Alright, let's head.
Yes, hello. We are in the middle of nowhere. Low petrol.
Low petrol.
Low petrol.
Look at that S-Works. It's got the Rovo wheels. Wow. Some people got some absolutely kitted bikes here, Alfonso.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts, mate? What are your thoughts on all these kitted out bikes?
I need to make more money.
Budweiser presents Real Men of Genius.
Real man of genius.
Banana holder 9000.
Especially made from graphite, actually.
Flip. Dirty Detour.
Most
That's the
importantly,
intro.
it's got first aid at the back.
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's the intro. That's the intro photo right there.
They got 30 kilometers of range.